In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Notion with Discord. So in order to do this, you can simply use any automation tools like Zapier or N8N. So for example, here I'm using N8N. So you can simply go to N8N website and then create an account if you don't have an account, and you have the free trial in N8N, so which you can simply use it to try it. All right, so once you created an account, you can simply click on create a workflow, which is on your top right here. Create a workflow, and then you'll get to this page here where you can create a new workflow. So here, click on add first step, and then what we're going to do for the triggers, search for Notion, type for Notion and select Notion. And then here you can choose which trigger you want to, like whether you want something on page added to the database or page updated in the database. I would say like something updated in the database. You can choose whatever trigger you want to. And then here what we're going to do is we're going to connect our Notion account here. So click on this on credential, click on create new credentials. Okay, and then you go to plug in the internal integration secret, the code here. If you need help with getting it, you can simply click on this open docs document, and then it will show you where in the Notion you can find this. Okay, where you can find this find these details. And once you find that, just plug that in here and hit on save option to connect your account. Okay, so once that's done, you can choose your schedule, your event schedule, and what type of event you want to do, and all those things. You go to add that here. Okay, so once you have add that, okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus icon here. Click on the plus icon, and then now we're going to add Discord. So search for Discord, click on Discord, and in the Discord, so choose an action. So what do you want the Discord to do? So for example, like maybe like send a message. So click on send a message. You can choose any other actions you want to, and then here you can choose the connection type, whether it's the bot or authorization. You can just choose whatever you want to. I'll just choose the second one. And then the credentials here, you can click on create new credentials, and then the same thing, you go to fill in this information. If you need help with it, click on this open docs option here. It will show you where to find these informations on the Discord here. Okay, once you get that, hit on save. Okay, and once you have already selected your account, like credentials, you have added it, and then now you can choose the resource, like where do you want to get the resource from, and your operations, your servers. Once you have already connected your account, your server list, and whom do you want to send it to, whether you want to send it to user or channel, and your channel details if you're sending it, and the message details that you're all sending it. And once you have filled in all these informations here, all you have to do is hit on execute step. So when you hit on execute step, this will now set up this full automation here. So in this way, you can connect from Notion with Discord, and then make specific activity or automation to be done.